How to book flights on Oojo and save money. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can find and book flights on Oojo. So let's get into it. You can also go ahead and check the link in the description below for some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply on this flight or on your checkings and save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So first things first, we're going to come over here onto the website, and here you're going to go ahead and just simply sign up. You can also select my trips over here and create an account, which you can also click the link in the description below and you can create an account over there. You can create your account by your email address, or enter the email address that you use to book your account over here, and you should be good to go. But we're going to skip over here, and here we're going to simply select our flight. So either round trip or one way, economy or one travel, whatever you want, right? So here from, choose a destination. So just type wherever you want. So let's say that we want to go from LAX to Maldives. So we'll go with this one, Maldives International Airport. Select the dates right here and click on search. Give it a couple of seconds, and you can go ahead and select whichever flight you want. So we got the cheapest one, we have the Qatar Airways. We can go ahead and click on view details, see all of the details, all the flights that are available. You can see right here, layover in Doha, layover in San Francisco, all these flights. Right, this is like the most popular one, and this is the best one, cheapest, and this is the fastest one right here. You can see right here. So if you click over here, directly goes to Singapore first, and then from Singapore we're going to go to the Mali International Airport, and then from Male we're going to go to, and then we can, this is the round trip. Yeah, wow, pretty cool. So then we can just simply click on booking, and then it's going to go ahead and give you all the amenities that are available, like luggage and stuff like that. So give it a couple of seconds and we should be good to go. And then you can go ahead and select your bundle. I don't want any of them, so we'll just continue with the first one, just the basic one. And here we go. So you can see right here, baggage differs from your initial search. So here you can see how much it's going to cost you. You can see if you want some more protection and stuff like that, and then you're good to go. And then here you have your option right here, frequent flyer number, some other options as well. And then you can click on continue once it's done. And the next page, which is the extra page, then in the payment page, you're going to go ahead and apply the promo code. So I'm going to skip all of this because I don't want to fill out this form, but yeah, you'll have the option to add a promo code, which you can find in the description below. So make sure you check that out. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.